Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you what exactly proxy server is, the disadvantage and advantage of it, and how to disable and enable it. Okay, let's get started. First is, I'll just open an image here to completely explain you what is proxy server. Okay, so here this is your internet, and this is the internet service provider, and in between that is the proxy server. Okay, here the proxy server will filters and check websites not vulnerable. Okay, and then it will gives you internet. Okay, so it acts or simply add extra security to your device and acts as the firewall of your computer. Okay? But the only disadvantage of it is once you enable it, there are important apps that will not function well. Okay? Because it will blocks the important applications. Okay? So how to disable and enable it? Let's just close this. You need to go for settings. Just simply search for settings here and then click on open, and then here you can simply enable it to automatically detect settings and disable it. You can also manually add proxy server by clicking setup and turning this on, and then type the proxy IP address and the port and then saved. So I don't want to add any proxy server in my computer, so I just cancel it. Okay, so those are the disadvantage and advantages of proxy server. So hopefully this video adds on knowledge, and hopefully hopefully you learn something from it. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell one to be updated into our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.